Well, hello guys! Welcome to the second part of 100 most popular nouns in English. I hope you already worked through the first part. In any case, I'll leave a link in the description below, so please go and learn those 10 words or review them if you've already learned them. And I think it's just the time to start our today's lesson. Today, you will also learn 10 words, which are group, school, problem, family, hand, state, country, part, world, student. Please listen carefully to these words once again and repeat them after me. Group, school, problem, family, hand, state, country, part, world, student. Now let me introduce each of these words one at a time. And we'll start with part. 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 Part is one of the pieces, sections, or elements that something consists of. Like this one is a piece of a complete jigsaw puzzle. It is a part of it. Next word is world. 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 The world is the planet we live on. Next one is country. 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 Country is one of the political units which the world is divided into. There are a lot of countries in the world, like here is Spain, one of my favorite countries. Our next word is state. 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 State is a part of a large country, such as Germany, the USA, or Australia. Next word is school. 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 School is a place where children are educated. There are different kinds of schools: elementary, middle, high, music, dance, and so on. Our next word is student. 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 Student is someone who is learning at a school, college, or university. And unfortunately, sometimes there can be some problems in our life. Problem. 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 Problem is a situation that causes difficulty or that is hard to deal with. Like, for example, there can be economic problems, energy problems, and so on. Word number 8 is hand. 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 A hand is a part of our body at the end of the arms. Next word is group. 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 Group is a number of people or things which are together in one place at one time. Like here we can see a group of children. And the last word is family. 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 Family is a group of people who are related to each other, especially parents and their children. These are the words for you to remember for today. Let's repeat them once more. Group, school, problem, family, hand, state, country, part, world, student. I will write the translation of the words in the comments below. There will be Spanish, Polish, and Russian translations, but if you want to write any other translations, please feel free. It'll be great. So let's memorize today's list. Listen and repeat after me. School, country, part, problem, hand, student, world, state, family, group. If you feel like you already know the words, just go further and do some exercises. If, on the other hand, you think you should repeat them again, then just go back and review. So, here are the pictures. How do you feel about giving the words relating to these pictures? So, what are they? I'm sure your answers are school, country, part, problem, hand, student, world, state, family, group. Super! I have no doubts you've already learned the words. So, could you just quickly name these puzzles and we're gonna wrap up for today. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? If your answers were student, family, state, world, group, school, hand, problem, part, country. That means you were very attentive today. Good job. And if you want some writing practice, I suggest to you to divide the words of the lesson into two groups, people and others, and write them in the comments below, please. That's all for today, guys. Please save this lesson to rewatch it later and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in my other lessons. Take care.